God, dude, he got you f***ing bad. Oh my God.
Hey.
Ow, ow, ow.
In September 2023, police in Lacrosse, Wisconsin responded to a call from a distressed resident who reported her pit bull had escaped and was aggressively lunging at bystanders. The caller, who was the dog's owner, expressed fear for her safety and mentioned that this was not the first instance of the dog's aggressive behavior. For example, while she was inside swatting flies, the pit bull attacked her, leaving bruises on her arm. On another occasion, it bit someone. Upon arrival, officers observed the gray and white pit bull roaming the street, circling a van and jumping onto its hood.
That's my other dog in the car, and that's why he's there. I had my friend come here because he busted my wooden fence to come to me.
Whose dog's that one? Yours?
Both of them.
So why can't you take care of your dog? Why?
I was in here mixing up Benadryl and dog food to put him down. They're doing euthanization.
The dog was displaying clear signs of aggression towards anyone who approached. The owner was present and explained that she had her friend come over because the dog had broken out of her wooden fence. She also mentioned she was preparing to euthanize the dog because it had attacked too many people and was considered dangerous. Despite being given Benadryl by the owner in an attempt to calm it, the dog remained highly agitated.
Why would you do that?
Because they're killing him tomorrow. He's attacked too many people. He's dangerous. Please.
Here you go, buddy. There. All right.
Atlas, behave.
Well, he's scared. He's scared.
This is 68 to 79. I kind of caught the tail end. Are you getting that snare? It's currently on top of a car in the middle of the road.
Is there a way you just could tase that dog?
Oh, why would I taste the dog? It's not doing anything right now.
It was. It was chasing people down the street.
Right. No, I'm not going to tase the dog. We have a snare catcher thing coming, so the dog's just up there right now. I'm not too worried.
Yeah, she gave this dog like 6 Benadryls.
I can only imagine what she's done, so... Yeah, no, I'm just going to sit here and wait. I'm not going to do anything. It's her dog. It's not, it shouldn't be my problem, you know what I mean?
Right, I know. It ain't our problem either.
Exactly.
We're losing customers because
100%. So it's sitting on the car, so right now my partner's on his way up here with one of them big old pole snare things.
Oh, yeah, that's the owner of the dog right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you know her well?
As officers assessed the situation and tried to devise a safe way to capture the dog, it jumped off the vehicle and attacked a male bystander who was trying to help. This added urgency to the situation.
Well, I mean, yeah.
I didn't know. Well, she did something to the dog.
I don't think she made anything better.
Did you bit? Bleeding? No.
Nothing bleeding.
All right, that's all.
But no, I'd say
Well, I
just...
tried telling him.
Here, come back
open
here.
up the car door.
Oh, I know.
But he's chicken. I think he must have did something to his dog.
They're doing something. I'm back again. We're coming with one of those big old pole snare things.
Officers debated the use of a taser, but ultimately decided to wait for an animal snare to arrive.
So I tried.
Yeah.
I got some mouthful.
Here, come back here and we'll talk.
I'm a dog lover, man.
Yeah, me too, but at the same time, I ain't trying to get bit because someone can't take care of their dog.
Well, that's,
you know what I mean?
She says she gets along with the other little puppy in the car.
Another officer soon arrived with an animal snare to assist in capturing the pit bull. During this tense period, the dog continued to exhibit aggressive behavior, and the officers maintained a cautious approach to avoid provoking further attacks.
I tried telling him he wants to get in the van. I tried telling him to, but he's scared f***ing shitless. I'm thinking if he could roll down the window and let the dog in the van, he could jump out the other side. That way he's in the van.
It's a risk.
You know what I mean?
Why
That's
is
easier
he,
to think.
so
I don't know. He must
who's
not
in the
like
van?
I don't know. It must be her boyfriend.
So the dog knows that
He must
van.
not like
She's in heat.
What? In heat? Okay.
He already attacked
What's her
me.
name?
That's all. Huh?
What's her name?
No,
Stella.
Oh,
dog in the car.
No, but she's in heat.
oh. What's the dog's name?
Come here, Atlas.
You want a leash? Here's a leash. Oh, whatever. There's lunch meat on the thing. Get on this side. Put the phone down. Send the business.
Yes.
Get off the phone.
Who are you talking
Put the
to?
fucking phone down.
I have emergency. Other people on the phone.
Okay, well, you're not taking care of your dog. It's bit people.
Atlas. Come here, baby.
That's why I think he should get out of here with the other dog. I think that dog's agitated.
Come here. Addie, pull it down further.
Just so you know, I got this out.
Yeah, I saw that.
Atlas, come here. You want to see Stella Belle? She's right here. Come here. Now. Put down. Yeah, see, he's trying to grab me.
Would he let you put this around him?
No, you're going to need to put that around him. Come from the back. I'll distract him up here. Come here. Come get him. Come on, put it.
Gotta move
You
fast.
want to go for a walk? Go for a walk? He's dangerous.
Yeah, that's why we'll just take it slow.
I gave him already 3 f***ing Benadryl.
It's Atlas.
That's what the Humane Society, everyone's like trying, because nobody will give me a f***ing tranquilizer. The police don't help me, they don't do shit. Well, finally.
We don't have tranquilizers.
Come here. Come here, mommy. Come here.
The dog's aggressive behavior escalated when it suddenly charged at an officer, causing him to lose his balance and get bitten on the arm.
Enough! You know, I don't.
I'm emergent for now. Are you good? Negative. We pepper sprayed the dog, so I don't know how this is gonna go going forward. Tell me, are you good?
Fuck, it's deep.
Is it? Let me see. You want a tourniquet or are you good?
No, it's not.
Where the hell is this thing?
I don't know. I think we do. You alright, sir?
Nope.
He grabbed a hold of my foot and then I called.
Sir, let's not even try it anymore. Right now is the best. I got him pretty good.
Oh my god, dude, he got you f***ing bad. Oh my god.
Hey guys, get.
In response, officers used pepper spray to try to subdue the dog.
I'm out. I'm gonna shoot it if it comes again.
Don't let him do that.
Hey, sir, back up. Here.
Well,
It just bit him. We'll just have you back up. If it comes again, it's getting shot.
oh, I don't shoot it. You're not gonna pull your gun on him.
If it comes like
I don't want
that,
it.
if it comes on him like that, it's
Well,
getting shot.
Let me try it one more time.
No,
I'll take it in my own hands.
No, nope, we're not doing that.
Why?
Here, gentlemen, we got gauze in here.
Did he get road rash or?
No, he got bit.
Oh, I bit. He did. He got me. Yeah, I did. I got hydrogen peroxide for you.
Ooh.
No, don't put that on. I got alcohol.
You okay, man? I should have shot it when it came on you.
It's alright. I'm okay.
Where is it?
It's on the other side of the van. Here, just tear it open. Let me. I'll do it.
Animal control on its way?
There is no animal control. They assigned it to us.
You want that alcohol?
Keep your eyes on him.
Go in the car. Watch go in the car.
Watch, don't shoot when he's up on
Yeah,
there.
you can't do that. There's a guy in the
Yeah,
car, too,
I see
so
that. I see that.
You got it.
I don't think we should even be here.
The bitten officer received medical attention on the scene and was later transported to the hospital for further treatment. The male bystander, who was bitten twice, drove himself to the hospital for additional medical evaluation. The officer who was bitten and the male bystander both received necessary medical treatments, and the situation was ultimately resolved without further harm to the public. Despite these challenges, officers remained focused on capturing the dogs safely. Another officer and animal control arrived with an animal snare.
I get that. It's a very dynamic situation. We got a very large crowd, so we got to be very careful in what we do. Should we just have you guys move this way just in case it does run this way again? I don't want anyone to get bit.
Come. Come here, Addie. Hey, come here. Come put it down. Atlas. Okay.
And then just hook her up to the leash. Move fast, move fast. Good girl, good girl.
Okay, come on.
Pull her down,
Come
got her. I just leave her be there, we'll get a rope to her.
Okay.
Put her on the fire hydrant.
Down. Put it down.
Got her under control.
It's like, why couldn't she have done it?
Start the party.
We're telling him to. He's moving it.
Go.
Well, why would you do that? Risk me being attacked again.
It's your dog.
Yeah, that's retarded.
Walk him home, walk him home, yeah.
We gotta take him to.
Yeah. So you leave with the dog.
Hey, careful.
Get out of there, the dog kids now.
They're gonna sit there like retarded.
Okay, are you gonna be cooperative at all or no?
I'm trying, but I can't.
told him I have-
We got the dog on a leash.
Put it around the feet. Come on, now. Come on, I'm scared. Guys, I'm on the other end.
Okay.
Just
Walk
have
her,
her.
jump her in there,
Yeah,
get
you
some,
guys sit in it.
get some
Can we-
shit out of the way. Get some stuff out of the way.
No, hang on, back cage. In the back. In the
Back, back.
Just, yeah, lay him back up.
Oh my God.
You're all right.
Jeremy, you okay?
It's down to the bone.
Where are first responders?
They're right there.
While it was being escorted to the animal control van, it attacked the male bystander again.
Brown, you wanna? I don't know how this works. You wanna grab?
Away.
Hey, ow, ow, ow.
Stop.
After several tense moments, they managed to secure the pit bull. Even after being captured, the dog remained a threat, necessitating careful handling to prevent any further attacks. Besides, the owner expressed frustration with the police, stating that she had repeatedly sought help for the dog's behavior, but felt her concerns were not adequately addressed. Police noted that the dog had been given a large dose of Benadryl in an attempt to sedate it, but this had not calmed the animal.
Why would you just tase him?
You got a lot of recommendations for not doing too much.
Oh, you're gonna wait for another officer to get bit? This is why I called you guys and nobody did nothing.
This is your dog, right? Yeah. Why are you blaming us for your dog? Don't just ignore her. This is ridiculous.
Stop, stay there.
Hey,
Stop.
come over this way. Yeah, go walk that way.
Atlas. Come here, baby. Atlas, come here.
And I put Benadryl and steak in the steak to like see how I was gonna sedate him because nobody would help me.
Shut the f up and get the f away.
Stop.
Before taking the dog away, the police stayed to interview other victims who were there before they arrived.
He come right at me, grabbed a hold of my foot. I went down, he got me right on the shoe.
That dog wasn't that bad until she started like hitting him.
Was she hitting it?
Yeah, the dog was barking at the door wanting to get to her, but she like
Outside the bar?
yes, outside the bar and like shoved the door against the dog and like whacking him with him, kicking him, punching him. I'm like, you can't do that. You're gonna like rile him up. He's gonna get mad. He came up to me like I walked up and I came back. He ran up to me, wagging his tail all nice. He didn't even bite me. He licked me, and I was giving him treats.
Dude, I watched her poison this dog and it made me f***ing feel sick to my stomach. I don't want to see this.
It was confirmed that the dog had a valid rabies vaccine but lacked a city license, resulting in a citation for the dog license and dog at large. Police contacted the veterinary clinic treating the pit bull, where the doctor knew of its behavioral issues and had advised the owner to euthanize it over a year ago because of its violence. In the end, due to the pit bull's aggressive behavior and the injuries it inflicted on multiple people, the pit bull was transported to the Humane Society, where it was euthanized.
Just do a small amount. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. It's okay. Get that catch pull in.
Let's try a little bit more.
Oh, I am. Come on, big dog. Aiden, hold it like this.
Somebody wanna hold
You want to, once it gets on, you want to take farther back in?
whichever way. I'll send it first.
This incident highlighted the complexities and dangers faced by police and animal control officers when dealing with aggressive animals, emphasizing the need for proper training, equipment, and resources to manage such situations effectively. The incident drew attention to the challenges of handling dangerous animals in residential areas and the importance of community support and proactive measures in preventing such occurrences. The incident underscored the complexities and dangers involved in dealing with aggressive animals, highlighting the need for proper animal control measures and resources. And what do you think? Let's discuss it below. Until the next time.